Guess we believe it. Look who we are. We are the dreamers. We make it happen. Cause we can see it. Let's do the one that keep the passion. Respect. Oh yeah. Let's do the one that can imagine. Respect. Oh yeah.
Environment Day. Why Environment Day? To tell us, to remind us that we have to take care of it. What have we to do? I have to take care of it. Say that. What should you take care of? The nature. What will you take care of? Nature. Yes. And
Look who we are. We are the dreamers. We make it happen. Guess we believe it. Look who we are. We are the dreamers. We make it happen. Cause we can see it. Let's do the one that keep the passion. Respect. Oh yeah. Let's do the one that can imagine. Respect. Oh yeah. Look who we are. We are the dreamers. We make it happen. Guess we believe it. Look who we are.